Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Honda Accord Crostour EX-L. Navigate every adventure with style in the 2010 Honda Accord Crostour EX-L with navigation. This four-door wagon has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 131,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2010 Honda Accord Crostour EX-L/Navi. Powered by a robust 3.5L V6 engine boasting 271 horsepower and 254 pounds of torque, it's a thrill to drive. Loaded with factory features including navigation, Opal Sage Metallic exterior, and sleek black interior, it's a head-turner. With under 131,000 miles, averaging less than 9,000 per year, and impressive gas mileage at 17 mpg city, 25 highway, it's both powerful and efficient. Meticulously maintained with a clean Carfax, this Crosstour awaits your test drive. Don't miss out on this exceptional ride. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.